In 2007, Brian Chesky devised an intelligent way to pay his $1,200 San Francisco apartment rent. He would offer bed and breakfast to anyone who needed a place to crash over the weekend. In just 15 years, it has grown from nothing to a $113 billion firm and is available in all cities, including New York. For the best day experience, what are the top 5 Airbnbs in New York for travelers? Even though New York is home to an abundance of world-class hotels, staying in an Airbnb is now a popular choice for many visitors. You have plenty of options regarding seeing the city on a budget or being like a local. If you want to feel like a true New Yorker and immerse yourself in the city's way of life, Airbnb is what you're looking for. If you want to get the drop on the hottest Airbnb spots, this channel is what you are looking for. So subscribe and get an alert whenever we drop a video. We selected 5 of our favorite Airbnbs where you can rest for a full day of sightseeing and dining at the city's top restaurants. Number 5. The Notorious B.N.B, the Wallace. First on our list is the Notorious B.N.B. This historic Brooklyn mansion is one of the finest Airbnbs in New York City. It is located in Clinton Hill, an ideal location for exploring Brooklyn and Manhattan. It has easy subway access. You will share this lovely brownstone with other guests, but you will have the entire top floor to yourself. Also known as the Wallace, the Airbnb has 2 bedrooms with plush bedding. The suite is an excellent romantic getaway. Speaking of romantic getaways, there's a perfect cottage outside New York City's center by the beach suited for lovebirds looking for a place to nest. We'll talk about this perfect romantic getaway cottage soon, so make sure you don't miss that. This New York Airbnb has various conveniences, including Wi-Fi, air conditioning, a communal kitchen, and laundry facilities. However, there is no elevator or television, but that's okay. I mean, who even watches TV these days? Although that might not be the case for everyone. Do you think TVs are a must for an Airbnb? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Number 4. Manhattan Lux Loft.Like.Love.Lots.Look. Next, this stunning New York City loft apartment has to be included in any discussion of the top places to stay on Airbnb in the city. You'll be surprised with so much room to spread out in this opulent Manhattan Airbnb. Since travelers reside on the opposite side of the apartment from the host, there is a lot of privacy. In addition to a queen-size bed in the guest room, you'll have access to a sofa bed and air mattresses to accommodate parties of up to 5. Airbnb has a private bathroom, flat-screen TV, and access to Netflix and Amazon. There are common areas like the apartment's enormous living room, dining room, and kitchen, as well as the quiet terrace balcony that overlooks the entire New York City. Suppose you want to sit back, relax, and sip on some fine Chardonnay while watching the bright lights of New York after touring the city all day. This Airbnb spot is perfect for you. One of the most notable advantages is the elevator because you won't have to climb all those stairs. Number 3. Boho Chic Rhapsody in New York City. Now, if you're looking for a stylish New York City vacation rental, go no further than this chic boho studio. Located in Manhattan's Kips Bay area, you'll have easy access to all of New York's major attractions, including the Flatiron Building. This loft-style studio apartment, housed in a historic brownstone, must be seen to be believed. There is also an Airbnb studio synonymous with a beautiful 1-bedroom loft on the Lower East Side, and it happens to be on our list. So make sure to watch the end to find out what this beautiful Airbnb loft has to offer. Since the Boho Chic Rhapsody Airbnb apartment has only 1 queen bed, it's best suited for couples or single travelers. The clawfoot tub beside the indoor fireplace makes this an incredibly romantic Airbnb in New York City. In addition, this Airbnb has a living room, a dining nook, and a kitchenette. The apartment is only 1 flight of steps away from the elevator, adding to the unit amenities, including Wi-Fi, cable TV, and heating cooling. Number 2. Cottage by the water. Again, are you looking for a little breathing room in New York City? Don't worry, not every New York Airbnb is located in the city center. You'll almost forget you're in New York City when you're so close to Jamaica Bay, Queens Shore. The subway and the JFK Air train make it very simple to reach the city. The Airbnb house has a charming exterior but a magnificent and spacious interior. Even the local fauna can be seen right outside your door. Isn't that lovely? For up to 4 people, you'll be able to sleep comfortably in this stylish and spacious Airbnb home. The main bedroom has a queen-size bed, and the other room has 2 singles, making it ideal for romantic and family vacations. You'll also enjoy a spacious living room, a lovely dining room, and an outdoor porch with water views, so there's plenty of room for everyone. Cooking at home will be a breeze, thanks to a well-stocked kitchen. You can do your laundry next to the kitchen, which is convenient. If you get bored watching Netflix or surfing the web, there's a cabinet full of board games to keep you busy. Number 1. Beautiful Lower East Side 1-bedroom loft. Moving on, people who want to stay at an authentic New York City loft won't be able to resist this stunning Airbnb property. Some of New York City's most outstanding restaurants and convenient public transportation are all within a few blocks of the Airbnb loft. Depending on your budget, this 1-bedroom Airbnb apartment might cost up to $2,000 each night. Its 1-bedroom configuration is more appropriate for a couple or business travelers. It's impossible to miss the Empire State Building, Brooklyn Bridge, and the East River from this fantastic Airbnb loft. You'll find comfortable sofas, fluffy bean bags, and a king-sized bed. A TV, Wi-Fi, and laundry room are available for your convenience. On top of that, the host, Manon, is there. Do you have the best stay experience? My month at Manon's was one out of a dream. Her place is beautifully decorated with every detail thought out. Manon went above and beyond to ensure my stay was enjoyed. A visitor left a review after his stay at the Airbnb loft. Choosing the proper lodging is crucial if you want to travel to New York City. Airbnb is about finding the ideal lodging, which will make sightseeing easier and improve your experience. These top Airbnbs in New York City will enhance your trip. If you enjoyed watching this video, our next Nordlys MetalLark Tower Airbnb, the best Airbnb in the US, will get you hooked.